Hello everyone. This is Kubernetes SIG localization sub-project monthly meeting, and I'm co-lead, one of the co-leads of this localization sub-project, SOCO, and I'm going to host today's meeting. Okay, let me share the meeting note first. Can you see my screen? Share the screen?
Yes.
Thanks. And today is August 5. So participants, please add your name here. And I'm not sure, Lavish, is first time for this meeting or not? I guess he's not listening yet. Okay, let's go to the agenda part. We have a few agendas, and first part is about the Bengali team request. Actually, Bengali team requested a new working branch for Bengali and with the Netlify preview, but I requested before, but I created this one very lately, so I'm very sorry. But I created this one, Dev 130 BN1, and currently we need to configure to the Netlify preview to use that branch. Actually, you can push, you can make a PR to that branch already, but the Netlify preview wouldn't work yet. So please wait for this configuration, or you can use that branch in advance. And once the Netlify preview is ready, you can update the PR by pushing any commit that PR. Then the Netlify CI will work. Also, since we about to release 131 Kubernetes release with our docs release, so maybe Bengali team can wait for the Debu 131 PN1, and it is another option. So, Sam, do you have any preference on the development branch?
Actually, the waiting part is your recommendation. We can start now or later. It doesn't doesn't affect, I guess, because we always follow the main branch. I don't think it doesn't affect on the main content. And let's see where we can start, because actually I telling to Bangladesh going through a lot like some internet problem and many things. So me and my team looking forward to start as soon as possible, but I don't have I don't can say when I am start. So if you recommend to waiting for 1.3 release, we can do that.
I think it depends on the Bengali team. So you can currently use this branch first, or you can request creating this branch again. No problem.
I guess we can wait. Okay.
Wait for this branch.
Yes.
Until then, you are going to use main branch.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Until then, you are going to use main branch for the Bengali localization?
Yeah, yes, until then we can use main branch.
Okay, no problem then. Uh, I will cancel this Netflix preview for this new branch, and if possible, I'm going to remove this dev branch. And once the 131 release has been released, then I'm going to create this branch and set up the Netflix file. Is it okay?
Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next issue. Except this branch issue, do you have any other issue for the Bengali branch, Bengali localization?
No.
Okay, thank you. And next item is about the naming of a branch for localization. Actually, previously we have discussed about the preference for the development branch version naming, but I'm not sure we actually need the kind of branch naming for the localization dev branch. Uh, in case of Korean localization branches, development branches, we specified the version for that branch. That was because Korean localization team utilized uh, checking the outdated contents by differentiate by comparing those two development branches. So Korean team have has the branch strategy for the updating outdated content. I guess it is very special for Korean localization team. And even though some this kind of uh, branch strategy for updating outdated content, uh, uh, this uh, this branch strategy is not for every localization teams. Uh, I think very few localization team are utilizing this kind of branch strategy, and I'm not sure Bengali team are uh, using this kind of branch strategy or not. So maybe it is not the mandatory for the Bengali team yet. So this kind of uh, those teams does not need to specify this kind of version naming for the localization dev branch, I guess. So our another option is just using dev dash and language code, not specifying the release version of that dev branch base, and keep using the development branch. This kind of strategy, branch strategy, has been utilized in CNCF cloud native glossary project. So I'm maintaining that repository as well, and that worked actually. So I think it is also one option for the Bengali team and any other teams, except teams who are using the development uh, branch strategy to outdate the content.
Uh,
So
uh,
yeah,
I have a small question that, like, it will is that it will create a March issue? Like we use the dev branch for like 3 to 4 month, 4 month. After that, the if we push main to this dev branch, the consistent dev branch, is will create any March issue? all
merge
is get.
issue. Yeah. It possibly have some merging issues. So my note here is about the reducing the merge conflict.
Uh,
So
yes.
yeah, if you think this one is main branch and your team localization branch will be based on this branch, so we make this development branch, and during development time, uh, localization team PRs and the commit will uh, base this development branch like this, and in main upstream branch, others will also push the commit here. Once you want to merge the whole development branch into the main branch, then there will be some conflict, merge conflict. If those two main branch, development branch, changed the same file. So if you want to reduce the merge conflict, your team also need some policy on that, I guess. If you don't, then you need to do uh, rebase or any other merge way or cherry pick and so on. So that's the complex part in using the dev branches, continuously using the dev branch. So if you uh, avoid some conflict, I mean uh, changing Bengali content in main branch as well as the development branch. If you avoid this kind of situation, then merging would be very simple. So your team try to use this kind of approach, then I suggest to your team to avoid this kind of conflict. I mean, avoiding changing localization content in main branch,
Uh,
then there will be no.
Actually, I am talking about the after part, like after using the dev continuous dev branch. When we are when we after then after finishing the dev branch work, we are going to then merge the main branch into dev branch after some time working. So then that time this will create merge conflict by other languages, not our dev branch, other languages. It will be happened.
Merge conflict. Yeah,
Um,
you don't have to worry about the merge conflict. So yeah, basically, if you open a PR from the upstream branch, uh, for instance, a branch. Yeah, if you use this kind of approach, currently it is very new branch, so there's no difference. But if you try to push this development branch into main branch, here will be opened. I mean, let me show where localization branch. Oh no, this one cannot merge automatically because main branch Korean content in main branch already has been changed. So there's conflict after you uh, if your branch let's say we already merged this table 130 BN1 into main and PR has been merged. And after that, we can do this one in another direction like this. So if you quickly update the main branch into the, I mean, update the development branch with main branch, and there will be no conflict usually.
Okay. Thank you for explaining that. Sorry for
Yeah,
taking your
yeah.
time.
So if we think about the chain shape glossary, okay, you have a good example, I guess. If we want to update the dev branch in from the main branch, you can create this kind of here. So actually there's no merge conflict here.
Mm,
And
okay.
this one includes the latest main commits
Mm,
to dev. So
Okay.
if you create this kind of PR, then you can update to the development branch for Bengali.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Sure. Thank you for that explanation.
No problem. So maybe we can apply this kind of approach into the uh, Kubernetes localization as well. But I think we need more consensus on that. So let's keep the way, uh, the current way for the Bengali branch first.
Yeah, yeah, it will be great for us. Like,
Okay,
so for the continuous dev batch need more observation.
okay, yeah, thanks. And do you have any question or opinion?
No, thank you.
Okay, okay. Next issue is to share our the search engine has been changed, and previously I have asked some help to check this find page uh, search engine works for China as well. But since we faced lots of expensive uh, cost on using Bing for the search engine, we has been accepted the page find solution and we deployed it. If you want to see the in detail, you can check this kind of issue from Chris and how it actually worked, and we are enhancing the issues regarding the change of the search engine. So if you are interested on this issue and if you see any low quality issue on search engine on our Kubernetes website, and please check those issues and PRs. And uh, I guess not everyone are participating on this meeting. So folks who are watching this recording, please take uh, on a look on this issue and PR for the page find the search engine issue. Is there any question or opinion?
No.
Thank you. And the final item is about the uh, policy localization, Persian localization uh, interest. And when I was requested from someone who are interested in initializing the parse localization, I thought parse localization is new initiative, but it turns out uh, the team already existed and the channel also already existed, and currently their team is not is inactive, so we need more people to bring, and we need to reinitiate the team. So, folks, if you are looking for the contribution point and you are very good at parse and English, then please join this channel, and you can contact to the Salman or me or RB, Abi, Abigail, uh, who is uh, another uh, localization sub-project lead. Is there any question or comment on this issue?
No.
Okay, I think we discussed all registered issues, and we have still some time. So if you have any question or issues to discuss, uh, you have the floor.
Uh,
Please let me know. Okay.
Shukha, I have a small question. I just really forgot that Bengali team has not registered in Kubernetes or team section. Do we have to create that peer, or the localization lead, you are going to create that?
You
But
mean
I'm giving you example in this one in meeting chat.
um, okay, let me create a PR to update this team. I can help your team.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me mention. So if you have this kind of team, then uh, you can mention the team uh, whenever you want for for localization. I mean, Bengali related issues.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any additional issue or question?
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the participant and participation, and uh, meeting can be adjourned. And have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Bye bye.
Bye.